You guys, how you doing? How you feeling? What's up? What's popping? It's your girl back again with another interesting video, as usual. So first of all, I'd like to thank you guys so much, because by the time I'm posting this, I have reached 100 subscribers. Manze, if you're planning to start YouTube, it's a lot of work, but it's a lot of work. It's not easy, but I thank you so much for subscribing, for liking, for sharing with your friends, manze. I don't take you for granted. So today, as you can see, I'm in my shags, niko umasaini, uko ndani. I am just chilling, I'm just vibing, and I just thought I'd do this intro here since I'm in shags. So I've been receiving DMs and whatever, and people are telling me, hey, since you are in Meru, so show us a place where we can go after the hustle. Hey, uko kuna, hey, where Buddha. Yeah. There's an old school in Aimba. It's like a Subaru, manze, BMW kando. Anyway, so yeah, I've been receiving some chats, some texts, and you guys are asking, when I am in Meru, can you recommend a place that we can stay? So I'm like, yeah, I remember where I was at. There's a place that we slept. It wasn't bad. So I filmed the place. I wasn't even going to post this video, but since some of you are requesting to see it, so I'm gonna show you where we slept, and it was actually a nice place. I really enjoyed it. I loved the service. And then today, since I'm in Ushago, unaona nguo za heshima, unajua nini, hakuna mini skirt. Uku, I'm a good girl, buschana buzuri tu, unajua. But see the curls, girl. See. So, yeah, I'm going to show you where we slept in Meru. It was actually a very, very nice hotel, and there is a bar. So that sounds bora kuna bar. Ama namna gani? But check your view. Check it too. This place is so serene. Ooh. I'm just loving this place. So you guys stay tuned. I am going to show you. Thank you so much for the likes, for subscribing, for being here, for watching, for taking you a few minutes. Hey, Wamasai ni wasumbufu. So anyway, let's get right into this video. Mwah. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to welcome you to West Wind Hotel. This is a 3-star hotel, and it is a town hotel situated along the Meru Maua Road, opposite the Cooperative University of Kenya, Meru campus. It's about 270 kilometers from Nairobi. The restaurant area is the perfect place to enjoy fine dining. It offers a selection of menus including set lunch and dinners. Guys, look at these. Oh, Something else amazing about this restaurant, it has conference rooms. So if you want to hold your meeting, carry your crew, man. There are amazing conference rooms. Now let's go to the essential services, if you know what I mean. This is the bar area. It offers amazing cocktails and soft drinks, wines, and also craft beers, as in anything that you like that it's about drinking. They got you. Like, can you finish all this? Can you finish all this? Oh, I got you. West Wind Hotel got you. So guys, this is the view from the first floor. That is where I personally slept. I slept in room 101. An amazing night. Let's not go there. So anyway, this is another parking side. So if you're sleeping on the east side, you can see your car. And when you're sleeping on the west, you can also do the same. So guys, this is where I slept. And when you walk in, just see this bathroom. This bathroom is beautiful. And then, ooh, I mean, that's me. So this place is where you can hang your coat, your towel, anything that you like, you can hang over there. And then this is the bed. This is where I slept. Before you start judging me, I just woke up. And there is no way you expect me to make my bed and I'm leaving. So there is a TV area. That's my bag. That's my that is my neighbor's drink. There is a closet and there are amazing windows. So on the east wing, I'm on the west. See, you can just see you where you've parked. So you can just see your baby from your window. And this is my bed. I'm gonna miss this place, by the way. This place was amazing. You see me in my miniskirt. Just see this place. This place is amazing. It's amazing. One thing I loved about this place is when we woke up, there was free car wash. Like, the cars were clean. I'm not even lying to you. Free of charge. West Point, asante sana. Hey guys, so we are in Meru. We've reached, and I've shown you the hotel where we slept, and it was amazing.
Yes.
It was amazing. You guys should come here.
Should visit.
Yes, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for staying.
Cheers.
Until next time.
Cheers.
Bye. Guys, stay tuned as I show you how we went to Samburu. Until next time, so much love from this voiceover person. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.